Today's consumer is very savvy. You can go on the internet and search up anything these days. So people are looking for validation before they call someone. They're looking to family, friends, third parties like the BBB, anybody that can provide that validation that they're calling the right company. And we do have customers say, hey, I noticed that you're BBB accredited. We went online and sought you out, and that's why we're doing business with you versus other people who aren't. And so we know that it means a difference to the customer and the homeowner, and so that's why we are proud to be a part of it.